Welcome back again. Good morning, all of you. Let us start the new session on geometry. Next is our edge tab. Okay. Before to going edge tab, I want to give some basic information. What is the edge? What is the straight line and what is the arc? Okay. Here. So first one is the what is the straight line? Number of points arranged in one dimension called as a straight line. Here a spelling mistake, no matter, it is a line. Okay. Next, what is the arc? As you are viewing, this is a straight line. Arrow direction indicates a straight line. Now what is the arc here? Okay, arc is a curved line or a part of the circle. As you are watching, this is a curved line and a part of the circle. Now what is the circle here? Okay, this is a plane, but imagine that it is the outer periphery. It is looks like a circle. Okay, then a circle can be defined as the round shaped figure in a plane consists of no edge or no corners, called as a circle. Now we have some more definitions related to ellipse. Circle like shape of edge or called as a ellipse, means it is a egg called as a ellipse, means the shape of this figure is almost looks like a egg type, so we call it as a ellipse. Now conic section is nothing but the section of the cone when we cut it in terms of many angle or degree of freedom. Okay, now come to this another one. This we have to understand what is the fillet and what is the nurbs and what is the swipe, revolve and project. Some more definitions you have to understand before going to into Gambit software. Now fillet is the rounding the corners of the two or more intersecting edges called as a fillet. As you are viewing here, this is a definite path, but after filleting it has been come is like this. Okay, now come to the nurbs, the non-uniform spline called as a nerve. This is the spline, means different we don't predict the actual way of the line, so it is called as a nerves or spline. Now come to the swipe. Swipe is nothing but the sweep or swipe, shaping the object as it is its model, that is called as a sweep. Revolve, the circulating the path is called as the revolve. Okay, there will be some more mistakes. Okay, no matter, all are correct. Next one is the projection, the extending the model or element of the model to some extent, we call it as a project. Now come to our back to our software. So this I have given to you because the straight line, because of the different comments here different comments here. One is the straight, arc, circle. These definition we have no. Now come to one by one. First of all, I want to create a straight line. Okay, after clicking the command of straight line, which this is the top of window. Okay, it asking us to give the vertices. Okay, now this is the one, another one is this. If I click apply, then it becomes the align. That is how we form the align by using the vertices. This is a real line what you are seeing, and now if I consider it as a, let's say this and this, if I consider it as a virtual, then it becomes the virtual line. Okay, apply. See here, as the difference in the points like real vertex and the virtual vertices, in the edges or lines there will be some two difference. One is the real edges and the one is the virtual virtual edges. These will help us many more, but we can convert here. Okay, I want to just for showing you I have created this. Now come to again, so like this we can form here. Now I will click this. Like this we can form the edges. Okay, this is the virtual, and if you click the real, then it also becomes the real vertices. Okay, real edges. Okay, so this is about the first command. Now come to the, I will undo it, and I will come to the next command, that is the arc. Arc is nothing but it is the part of circle, as you are seeing here. This is the top of window when we open the arc command. How to create the arc? There are three different methods to in order to create the arc. Okay, first of all we have to see here. First we see this. Here the center is the 1 point and the 2 are the adjacent points, means circle points. I will click this. This is as a center, this as a center, and now this 2 as a circle point. Okay, this forms the circle. It's showing us between the nearest of points or the long away from the point. If you click this, then it will form the circle, form the arc at the outside in this portion. What you are seeing? Okay, yes, what you are seeing here. Okay, this is the first one. Next, come to the next one. Here it will show us by making 3 different points on the circle we can make the arc. These are the 3 different points I have mentioned and given to the apply. So this is the arc. Okay, now again I will undo it. Okay, now come to this point. Third method of creating the arc, there will be, I will reset it and I will, okay, no matter. Here this is the third method of making the arc is it will asking some inputs here. One is the how much radius you want. I want 1 meter radius, and how much start angle and end angle. Start angle and end angle I will tell you in this. Start here, it is a 90 degree, like this it will come. Okay, so in the XY plane, yes, in the XY plane I want the arc. So if I apply this, then you see this is the 0 degree, this is the 90 degree, this is the 180, 270. I have started from 90 to 180 in the sense here. 90 to 180, radius of 1 with respect to axis Z and on plane XY. Okay, this is. Now come to the next tab, that is the circle. Okay, as usual in the arc we are going to create some circles here. In that, first one is I have selected, there are 2 different methods of creating the circle. One is the point center and 2 edge points. The second one is the 3 circle points. Okay, first one is the center and 2 circle points. Let me see. This is the circle point. Again I have given it as a center, and now 2 different points. Okay, so apply. Oh, sure, you have watching the circle here. This is the circle. Now come to the next type of method of creation of circle. This includes 3 different points. I will give first one, second one, and third one, and apply this. It will form the circle. Okay, like this we can form the circle and create the geometry. So now close it, and again I will go for the ellipse. Okay, ellipse in the sense it is the egg shaped geometry. Okay, egg shaped geometry, it contains some datas. I will explain one by one. So this is the vertex. Okay, how to create this ellipse. This is the center. Okay, I will give this is the center, and this is the major axis which you want to given. You can be this is the edge, means minor. It asking us three parameters. One is the center, major axis, it likes a minor axis, on edge in the sense minor axis. If I given here, it is also asking some from where to where you want to start and end. If you given here 90 degree 90 degree to 180 degree, again it will follow that part. But for now I will given from 0 to 360 full ellipse. Okay, if I given here, this is looks like a ellipse. Okay, as it is a circle, but it has been drawn from the ellipse. Okay, like this we can draw the ellipse. Now come to the next command, fillet. Next one is the conic. Okay, for the conic we require some edges. I want to draw some edges. Okay, I want to draw some edges. Before that, I will, yes, conic, it will start. I have to give the three different points. One is the start, another one is the shoulder, another one is the end point. Okay, these are the 3 points inputs for the creation of the conic arc, and this is the shape parameter. Be understand, depending on the shape parameter, your conic will behaves, take the properties. Okay, if I given the apply, okay, shoulder is here, I will reset it again. This is the start, and this is my shoulder, this is my end point. Apply. Okay, this is how the conic section will be occur. Conic section in the part of the cone. Okay, so it will, if I give here the 0.2, then you observe something here. So this is the start, and this is the shoulder, and this is the end point. Okay, apply. So this is the what you are watching when I give the shape parameter as a 0.2. Okay, so I will close it. Now I am going to the next command, that is the fillet. For the fillet I require some lines, so I will try to make some lines here. Okay, so for the fillet here, this is the one line, and this is the another line. Like this I will try to make some more lines here. Okay, these are the line drawn here. I want to make the fillet operation. Okay, so these are the lines. Now select the vertices. I think it is lines. Now I will come to the fillet command. So it asking two edges. One is this. Okay, one is this. I want to create in this path. Okay, in this path. Now the second point is this. Okay, this is the radius of fillet. I will apply this. The fillet is occurred here at this edges. Okay, as you have viewed. Now come to the next command, that is nurbs. As nurbs I have showed you in the PPT. So nurbs, by selecting the different points, okay, nurbs can be made. Okay, this is the how nurbs can be given. It is taking the one is the interpolate, another one the extrapolate. Extrapolate take the some tolerance, means approximately how much tolerance distance between the point and the line. Okay, you can make it and you can practice it. Now come to the sweep. Okay, I will again undo this. All this you can undo. Now come to the sweep command. Sweep command will help you to shift the some vertices from one place to another place. Okay, so I will click this vertices and path. Here there are two different ways. One is the edge with respect to edge and with respect to vector. If you click the vector, then it is enough. If you have some reference point as a edge, then you can. But now I have taken it as a vector. Now I am going to define the vector. Vector I will take in terms of positive x-axis, that is here, and apply that. Now I think it will shift from here to here. How much it is, the magnitude I have taken it as a 1. Okay, this is the how it will sweep. So this is the magnitude what I have taken. Okay, that is the 1. Okay, initially it inbuilt it will taken as a 1. Okay, by default value. Okay, this is how we create the edge from the sweep command. Okay, like this. Now come to the revolve command. This is how the revolve command will. This is the vertices I have selected. Now this is the angle I want 360 degree. Define some axis. I want plane on the x and y axis, so it will take it as a positive z axis. Yes, I will apply it. Okay, and defined. Okay, there is no height. I don't want to give some height here. Now apply. So this is the form. It forms the circle and revolve of the this point. Okay, what you are seeing here, this is the revolve of that point. Now I want to some extend this some more. I want to give here some. This is the vertices what I have taken. I try to take the different vertices. Now I will take this vertices, and angle I want to give the 720, and axis as the z axis, and the height will be something 2 meter. Now I will apply this. Okay, as you are seeing, if you see like this, it will be awkward on the plane of xy, but if you see like this, there will be something variation, which is the because of the height what we have given at this block. Okay, it will vary with respect to height. Okay, it is a very important command which help us to draw some springs, draw some circular pipes, draw some this type of shapes. Okay, this is about my geometry in that edge command. Okay, in the next video we will see about the some more commands. Okay, for that, thank you all. Have a nice day.